Hi guys, it's Sarah. I know I've been MIA for a little while. Summer started and we have soccer, 2 kids in soccer, so that's 4 nights a week of soccer, and work and everything else. And my daughter decided to fall at soccer and tore her ACL. So that's been my main focus, and obviously I haven't been able to focus on anything crafty. I just happened to be in my craft room this weekend because my son is at my mom's and Madison is at work for a little bit. So I decided to come in here and I thought I really should do a video to share something with you guys because I have nothing to share. I have been procrastinating. Yep, that's me. I'm procrastinating. I really haven't been working on anything yet. I've stamped a few things in colored that I've shared on Instagram and that, but that's basically it. You guys remember when I cut out all these folding cards when I got back from Novi? So I have all these like rainbow cards like this. Well, I had started a little project of rainbow box cards from the Lawn Fawn die set. So basically I have cut out, I took one 12 by 12 sheet of every color of pastel cardstock that I had, so that's 2 boxes for each sheet, and I got them all cut out and all put together, so basically I have that. So I wanted to actually do some box cards and stuff. That's it. I made one card. I have one card to share with you guys. Look. Ta-da! I was able to get my hands on the super cute, I think it's called Fiesta Time from Hero Arts, with these super cute little chihuahuas. And this is a Waffle Flower Crafts die set that you can create little houses and like storefronts or apartments and stuff like that. So I got this off of Pinterest and put together the little storefront using some bright colors to make it Mexican. I added in a happy birthday die, and then on the inside we have the other chihuahua. I embossed I Chihuahua, and it's Fiesta Time. So that is my one card that has taken me like 3 weeks to make. Yeah. So I thought I would, since I have some time in my craft room today, I'm actually going to, I've been pinning a lot of stuff and cleaning up my Pinterest. So I am going to pull out some easy card designs and put together some cards. So I will attach that to this so you guys aren't just looking at this boring video of me talking about nothing. Alright, so hopefully I can get back on track and share more videos with you guys and more projects. So hope everyone's doing well and having a great summer so far. Okay, so it's been a couple days, but as I was saying, I went to Pinterest and was getting some inspiration from there. I had found a pin with an MFT. It was a box card that somebody had made, just the box card themselves by their own pattern, and turned it into a castle with the MFT die. So this is the die set that I used. It's just called Castle. Basically it just has the turrets, the house, sorry, the door, and then the edge for you to do like the brick, whatever size you want, however you want to use it. So I used this. The base of the card is with the Lawn Fawn box card, and that's what I showed you guys before, how I made those ones. So basically what I did was I took that castle die, I cut out a bunch of turrets, inked them and layered them. There's the little ones. I did some doors. So I have all of those pieces. And then for the main portion of the card, I measured the width of the box card. And then I cut out some pieces to put inside of the box card to build the castle, and these were cut with just the border die from the MFT castle and inked up with Distress ink. So this is what I came up with. I had already created all of the box cards with the same color for their inserts. So I layered one on the back with a little small turret and the door. The next layer just has the castle and the big turret, and then just castle, and then the front of the box, so attached on the inside to the front, is a castle piece and two of the small turrets. So that's how I created my castle. It does stick up a little bit, but I wanted it to do that, so because I just wanted some dimension in this. So there it is there, super cute. So I used a couple more items. I needed a little couple to go on my castle, so I used the Fairy Tale squidgies. They're so cute. For this one I used the mini size, so the mini squidgies, and I do have the Copic coloring that I will attach for you guys. I did do that up for you. I needed some birds because every little fairy tale needs birds, so I went to the Happy Hippo set from MFT and stamped and die cut these little birdies and colored them out. So I just have a whole bunch of little birdies. They're so cute. And then another sentiment that I used, I did use the sentiment from the Squidgies stamp set, No One's Too Old for Fairy Tales. And I used this Simon Says stamp, Love in Quotes, for this sentiment here to put on the back of the card. And what I do for these box cards is I use the Stitch Scallop MFT die set to put on the back. So this is the side that you don't fold, and this one fits, I think it's like the second largest. Fits perfectly on there, so you can use that to sign and everything, and then when your card is closed you have that one there. Okay, so here is my finished card. It turned out so cute. I finally added some acetate into a box card. I haven't done that before. I just keep seeing, this is a happy anniversary die from my stash. I did use the layers from the die set just with white paper, and I used the cloud stencils from MFT and tumbled glass distress ink, and just sponged on some clouds. So I have my little birdies. The front of the card, when it's closed, that's where I use the sentiment from the Squidgies with a little bird. You can see the clouds in there. And then also I did it this way so that when it's flat like this, everything fits nicely within the front of the castle. And we just have some little birds there. So it does kind of look like when you're looking at it this way that it's full on the left hand side, but I really wanted this part when it's folded this way to be appealing to the eye. So cute. So this little guy and this little guy are just on little strips of acetate. I just cut them and used glue dots. The little knight and princess are just glued onto the front of that piece. And I did add a bird up there, and then of course birds on the sides. And then the back, this is where I did the scallop stitch piece with the clouds and the sentiment, and then you have room to sign it there. So that's it all closed and then popped up. It just looks so cute. So that's it. It took me forever to finish this card. I'm just working really slow. I don't know. Mojo, work, kids, life. Hopefully I can get some more stuff done to share with you guys, but hope you enjoy this. You can watch the Copic coloring now if you'd like. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.